Here is a summary of the May 22nd, 2025 Supreme Court opinion in the case called Oklahoma Statewide Charter School Board versus Drummond, case number 24-394. The question presented in this case is 1. Whether the academic and pedagogical choices of a privately owned and run school constitute state action simply because it contracts with the state to offer a free educational option for interested students. 2. Whether a state violates the Free Exercise Clause by excluding privately run religious schools from the state's charter school program solely because the schools are religious, or whether a state can justify such an exclusion by invoking anti-establishment interests that go further than the Establishment Clause requires. The Supreme Court wrote a per curiam opinion. Justice Barrett took no part in the consideration or decision of these cases. Please note that this summary is read by an automated voice.
Per curiam opinion. The judgment is affirmed by an equally divided court.
Case implications. Affirming means that the Oklahoma Supreme Court's decision stands. This means that Oklahoma can constitutionally exclude privately owned and operated religious charter schools from its charter school program. Since the court gridlocked at 4-4 with only 8 justices participating, the United States Supreme Court saves for another day the weighty issues posed in this case. However, we will still glean some insight on the justices' thinking on the First Amendment in the school context when they released their opinion in the case Mahmoud versus Taylor. Although Oklahoma and Mahmoud involve different First Amendment questions, the justices may decide overlapping issues.